Tasks let you assign small tasks to the guards assigned to a specific post site that need to be completed within a defined time frame on the client site. Tasks are post site specific and need to be created for every post site separately. The guards assigned to the post site can be assigned the task. The guards can access and confirm task completion on the GuardsPro Mobile App. To create tasks for your security guards, click on the Clients tab on the main menu and select the Post Sites option from the drop-down. Next, you can refine the list of post sites by selecting the client or category of sites for which you want to create a task. Now, click on the post site where you want to create a task, or click on the Action button and click View Details. On the Tasks tab, simply click on New Task to create a new task for the post site. Next, start adding the details of the task and remember to clearly mention the task name, task description, scheduled days, start time, duration, and assign one or multiple guards to the tasks. Once you have added all the required details, click Submit to save the task. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.